Okay, we are now going to start our live session for binary option. We are now back at the office, so everything is back to normal. I will be trading as always, giving signals. So if you see this as a recording, make sure you sign up with a broker that you see up there right now. You find a link below the video, and you find a promo code that gives you 200% only first deposit. So make your first deposit count. Now, welcome for the ones that are live. Present yourself in the chat. I will now just promote this live session just a little bit, and we will get started. Okay, so let me just find the link there. Let's promote. We are now live trading binary options here. Let's see. There. Let's throw it into Discord also. To my Telegram groups. And let's put it into X also. Twitter. There. Then let me log in and we will get started to trade. Now let's see. Okay, sweet. Then we are live and ready to be trading. So as always, we will start to recognize a few areas where we see as interesting to be trading. So this old line here we can put up around this region here for now. We see some refusement up there. So change this one to a red color. So if you come up there, I will be interesting to go in with a down trade. So the line I put at 215.69. This is on Binance Coin, BNB. Okay. And I'll put my timer to 30. Now we might have a refusement coming around this region here. We can mark it, but we will not trade it yet. I want to see where we end up. Let's put this one to be a blue color. Now let's take a 30. Let's take a $100 trade. Okay, now he's passing a little higher, so let's see. Maybe this is the region as we see here. I'm not taking any trades yet, just so you know. Let's put this one below as we have a big screen now. I'm just following here for now. I always do this in the start of the live sessions, just following a little. It's always some small changes we do, but for now, looks like we can start to trade up here. That will be at 216.61. And I'm following down here. So let's just sit and watch a little. And I want to see a little more clear area before I start to trade myself here now. Let's see how this one close. Okay. Looks like this might be the region we can take trades. Also make sure that you go in and you like this video And if you're new here, if you're not a subscriber, subscribe my channel. And if you're subscribed, make sure you turn on the bell notification so you never lose a live stream from me. Okay? And if you want to join me and try to get with me, you are free to do so. You find in the chat, you find a link to the broker I'm using. There automatically you will get a demo account and you can follow what I'm doing. And if you choose to go in with real money, you also find a promo code. But it's always good to start with demo money first. So now let's see here now. This starts to look more and more interesting. Up in the top here now, let's see. In the bottom here, we are not trading at all yet. We are just trading in the top for now. Down here, I don't see any area we are going to trade yet. Always in the start, we need to be cautious to get things started. I always like to start with a winning trade. Now let's see, yesterday we did quite a lot of trades. It was the last day on the beach. I was traveling for 7 days. But now we are back to normal here at the office, so we can have some real quality again. So I'm planning to work a lot this week to get up some videos, things like that. So now let's see. I am looking to sell now. We have 3 is a charm. I will sell now if I come up to this red line up here. So I'll push the down button when they come up to this red line. That is my plan now. Now we will just need to sit and wait and see how this plays out. Like I said, we are not trading down here yet. I have not a definitely area here yet. And you see he closed it low. So this shows me that we might get a continuation down. If we do so, I will move over and see if I find something else. Let's see how this plays out first. I want to see how this bar will close. Now let me see. I see we are 4 live and I just have 2 likes, so 2 of you are not doing your job. Make sure you like this video, help me so tremendously by doing so, okay? Because more people I get into these live sessions, more fun it is for me to do these type of things. So now let's see. Okay, he closed it quite good there now. So maybe we still can get a trade up here. Let's wait and see. If things start to move up now, I will move on and see if I find something else. Actually, I see only 63% on this one, so let's move on. I did not see that before now. So I think we can take this one. Australian dollar against Japanese yen. Here, let me see. We can easily take a trade down around there. This one will turn to green. I will take a trade on this green line. In the top area, I think a trade up around here is interesting. So let's take our red line there. So this is our trading zone. Anytime if you can't see, you see the green number here and you see the red number here. If you can't see it, just write in the chat, I can't see the green line, for example. Then I will tell you the number till you got it, okay? So yeah, a little tired. Came directly from a trip, so it's the first day at the office. back to normal. So I'm going to take $100 trade if we come up to this red line. Now let's see. So yes, red color, red button, green color, green call. We keep it stupid simple. I don't call it resist line, I don't call it support line, I call it just lines. Now we are getting very close to our trade. Now let's see. And anyone that is live, I would love to know where you're from, if it's your first time here, if you're trading with demo account, if you are just following for now, I would love to know. Would be nice. It's always nice to see who is here, what they're doing, things like that. We are, by the way, in with that trade here now. Oh, I did not turn on fixed. You should do that. Turn on fixed so you get fixed 1 minute. I did not have that now, but looks to be good, by the way. So now we are, let's see now if you'll win this trade. We are 5 seconds away. It would be nice to get a winner trade from the start of the day. I lost the first trade of the day. That was much because I did not have fixed. That was annoying. So we are then down. Let me bring up the calculator so you can keep our track. I always like to win the first trade. But now we're minus 100. It's okay. We will fix that, by the way. I'll go in on one more trade there now. Now it's fixed at 1 minute. The reason I like to have it fixed is because when I look at these bars here, I'm looking at where they close. And if I have it fixed, then I get my 1 minute trade. That is very important, so we can get as accurate trades as possible. Okay. So now let's see how this will play out. If we can get ourselves a sweet $78. Now let's see. I hate when I get to add to these stupid groups in Telegram. Let me just remove some of them, because they come with many pop-ups and things, shit things. Alright, losing one more trade. We are getting a shit start here now. 2 losing trades in a row. What I typically do when that happens, I change my bid to 200. I always start with 100, but my max bid is 200. So I will then continue with 200. Whatever happens, that is the rest of the live session will be 200 bid. But I will move on from this pair now, as I did lose 2 times. Let's see if we can find something a little more suitable. I don't like to get a so bad start. Like here, for example, we have a beautiful line, but we are very far away from it. In the bottom here, I would be happy to take a trade there. Now let's see. Now Binance coin, just 63%. That is a little ridiculous. Let's check Bitcoin. I don't like the movement on Bitcoin, it's super boring. Let's move on. Let's take a look at Doge. Doge is one of the coins I have not had that much success with. So it should be stupid to try Doge. I have never had success with Doge. And Luke, welcome Luke. Nice to see you and thank you. It's actually good to be home also, because when you are traveling and you're trading on a portable computer on a hotel internet connection, you really miss to sit at the office and be working. So yeah, it's good to be home in that way. But yes, I did enjoy myself at the beach. Now let's see here. I don't see nothing. Polygon. Do you know what? We might have something in the bottom there. Let's see. Around there. Turn that one green. Do you know what? I think maybe we can have one in the bottom there. It would be sweet. We have 1, 2, 3, almost 4. Let's see. I did take a trade there now. Let's see how this plays out. If we win this trade now, we are basically fixed our first 2 trades. We get $196 profit from this trade. Would be great to get a little better start. Now let's see. Don't tell me he's going to break. Oh. There, we got it. I felt a little lucky there now. I was below and I shoot up in the last second. So I was thinking like in the last second I'm going to lose this trade. I was so annoyed. But then in the last second he's actually shooting up again. So okay, we got lucky. So let's throw in $196. We actually have this $84 up here also that I can collect today. I think I will do that in the recap video I always do after my live sessions. So we have that money also. So that is actually quite sweet. Then I think down here might be the area we probably should trade in, and that fits perfectly in the past also. So we always need to follow a little. Let's see now. I'm in there now. If we win this now, we are turning profit for the first time today. Look, if you feel that way, because you always can trade on the normal pairs. So 196, let's put that in, plus 196. Because basically when you're trading on OTC market, it's smart to trade in the time when most people are trading. Like the time I'm trading now, for example, many people are trading, right? And because basically if 10 people are trading here now, and if all go in with equal money, like I explained before, this is on OTC market. If 6 go up and 4 go down, the price will go down. OTC, it's manipulated for, you can see it like a casino, right? That's why it's good. We train a little different. That's why we're winning. But if my live sessions start to get in a crazy lot of people, like now, for example, it's very few, so it don't matter that much. But if we start to getting a lot of people, we need to go over to the regular pairs. This is following the price exactly as it's supposed to do. So here, if you feel the broker is against you, you can always go in here and you can be trading. Because here is not manipulated. Here you basically, that's why they pay less. You see here you get 98%, here you get just 78. The prices you can see is differences between each. Here you see one have 64, 63. Basically, if people do very good, they set down the value. If people are doing that good, like here you see 80, 78, so you can always stay away from the OTC market look, and you might do much better. So I can also, if you want to, I can concentrate about outside, because we are not that many people live in my live sessions, but still we can do that because it's not manipulated at all. So let's try to keep a little to that part. Binance coin, I think, is one of the most traded coins. So if you're going to trade OTC, you see me trading a lot on OTC for Binance. It's because that one is traded a lot, and it's I don't feel it that manipulated. It is manipulated, but I don't feel it in our trading style. Now talking about that, looks like we're getting a trade here in Australian dollar against Japanese yen. It's the one we have lost 2 times in a row here now. So I'm looking for a buy trade here on the green line. Now let's see. If we can get ourselves in a trade here now. So I'm patient. And for the other people that are live now, if you want to be training together with me, to trade with me, just open a demo account. You find a link in the chat, is pinned, and you can get started today. I will be trading today. Let me see. We are trading for just 21 minutes. I will trade like 38 more minutes. So it's a lot of time. It takes you like a couple of minutes just to set up a demo account. It's much more fun when you can follow what I am doing. So you have a good time to set up so you can be trading together with me. So yes, just sign up with a demo account, take you like 2 minutes, and you have more fun when you're trading together with me here now. Now we are looking for a buy trade here now on Australian dollar against Japanese yen. We are currently in profit $192. We have a little more because every time I'm trading I also get some cash back up there, as you can see. There I did go in. Let's see how this plays out. So now we just need to wait 1 minute and see if we can cash in some more money. So let's see. Of course, when we did go in now, this pair have been difficult for us today, I need to say. We have not had we have lost every time we have traded on Australian dollar against Japanese yen. You see here also, we lost our first 2 trades today, and then we won 2 on Matic, and then we're losing probably this one here now. There are more 5 seconds. Of course I can get lucky, but that looks like it. So we lost a trade. I don't know. I lost 3 times on Australian dollar against Japanese yen. This pair is dead to me now. I'm not trading that one more. But it's not so bad as we think. We are just down $8, and we do have the $96 up here also. This is cashback we get on every single trade we are doing. Okay. So, and now you see, of course, he start to go up again. Okay. I need to check Polygon again, because I have had success with this one. So up here was a good area before. Now I put it blue. I do this, then I'm just following for now. I will take buy trades on the green line, but the blue line is just me following the upper line. Because you see here now, we have the trading zone here. He go higher. I want to see if this is the new area, if we can get in a couple of trades there. Now let's see how this plays out. because in the past was up here. So I'm not confident that this can be the new area yet. So let's see. Now is a very good time for you all that do not have a demo account. Go in, you find pinned in the chat. Go in, open a demo account, take you 2 minutes, and you can come back and you can try together with me, and we can have a little more fun. It's more fun when you can follow. I am now, if this bar closed down around here now, I will activate this with a red line, and you can start trading on this area. Let's see. I'm just waiting to see how this plays out first. Well, let's see. You always need to have some type of patience with the binary option, but the same as you need to have with Forex. Okay, I think we are ready to change the color. Let's see. I did not go in now, he did shoot right much higher. I did not like that. So I'm waiting a little. I did not even have time to push the button. And when you see a little higher, I always get worrisome that he might even go higher. So it might be up here he'll go now, so let's wait a little longer. For me, he did shoot directly much higher than the line. When you see that, don't push the button, don't be so stressed. If you did, of course, looks like you would have won. But for me, when I see that, I get very scared. So, yes, for the ones that did push the button here now, you did, congratulations, you did better than me. I got worried. I thought that we were going to go higher. But for the ones that did actually follow the plan, congratulations for you, you did win the trade. I just got worrisome when I did see he shoot a little higher. So we move it down again. Now let's see. If we can get in up there now. Now let's see. We are keeping in this small region here, as you can see. If this takes too long time, I will move on. I would love to try Binance Coin, I don't understand. I can't just keep it at 63%. Binance is my favorite. Now I am looking for buy trades down here also. If this bar close up above here, that is a very bullish sign. A little scary. Bullish bars can't bring us higher, but it did not happen. And sometimes for me, my browser forget the bar. When I reload, the bar shows. So if you see that, don't worry, it's just your browser that forget it. You can reload the screen and the bar will be there. Now let's see. I'm in. I got a very good entry in the bottom there now. Now let's see how this plays out. If we win this, we are back in some sweet profit. Now let's see, just more 10 seconds would be sweet to collect some more money here now. And $196, sweet. So then our profit is at $188. That is quite sweet. Now let's see, if you come down again, I will take it. Let's see. Everything is about getting as good entry as possible. Because sometimes when you push this button, you can get a small delay. When I was at the beach with my crappy internet out there, I had like 5 seconds delay. It was terrible. As you could see, for the ones that did follow me while I was at the beach, I did fall in out of the live session also. But I did my best just to keep some content. As I have always promised, I will trade Monday till Friday, even when I'm in vacation. Like I'm also going to go to Norway now in 14 days. Of course, there is another scenario. I will be on the same computer, portable computer that I use at the beach, but there the internet is good. So it will not be the same crappy bullshit we had when you were in Bahia, Brazil. Because the hotel internet there was terrible. I'll stay with family members when I'm in Norway. So let's see, because I live in Brazil, I lived there for many years, but I'm Norwegian. Hey West, nice to see you. Good to see some familiar faces here now. West and Luke. Now let's see. In 14 days when I do live sessions from Norway, I think I will change the time, because I always use the time that fits me best. I'm a little selfish that way. So I might change the time to fit me while I am in Norway, because it's a 5-hour difference between Norway and Brazil. So here in Brazil, I trade from morning, and I think I'll trade from morning in Norway also, so the sessions will be earlier. I will see how it will fit, how many people that come into the live session, things like this. But it's just 14 days I'm going to stay there, so it's nothing. If you can't, then I'm sorry for that, but I will see. But this is just it's a little in the future, so we get to that problem when we get there. Now we will trade from here as normal. So let's see. By the way, the ones that they take their time to open a demo account, just write demo in the chat so I can see that you did open, that you're following my trades. That would be nice. Because like I said, it's much more fun to follow if you can see, if you can manage to follow my trades, and then with a demo account, it's the way to go. Do demo first, and then if you manage, then you can start to jump over to real. But real is always a game changer, but because you get emotions. You see me trading with just $200 on a 65,000 account. It's because you can see here, for example, I lost the 2 trades. If I was trading 1,000, that would be 2,000 down. That would do something with my emotions. So I don't manage that. So everyone have their threshold, and you need to find your own. So I always like to start with $100. If I lose like a couple of trades, then I jump over to use 200, but 200 is my limit for now. I do not raise it more. So I'm not using martingale or something like that. It's just that I just take a little higher if I get a bad start. That is for me to be easier to recover a bad start. So like you see, when you get two losers here, I recovered very easily after. And the win rate today is basically 50%, so it's nothing crazy. Typically we have 7-8 wins out of 10 trades. That is my win rate on this broker and other brokers. So now let's see. We will push the red button for the red line at the resistance zone you see up here. If you can't see this number, you can always just write in the chat, I can't see the red number, or whatever you feel for writing, and I will repeat it till you get it. Now let's see. We are ready. Now we have been trading for 36 minutes, so we are going to trade around 24 more minutes today, so we still have good time to get in a few more trades, because we trade 1 hour. So now let's see. If we can just get up there again. Binance is still, just let me reload the screen to see if it's still 63%, because it's my favorite pair. Now let me see. 63. What broker do you recommend? Basically I'll say like this. I use the brokers I use is IQ Sense, as you see in my live streams, and I do use Pocket Option. That is the brokers. I will not touch any other brokers, say like that. And when it comes to Forex, there are a few brokers there also. IC Market, for example. I like them. I do like, what's the name? I don't remember the names, but if you want me to find out for you for Forex, I'll find for you there. I can do it after the live session. But for binary option, yes, it's just these two I will recommend. It's the two brokers at least that I have had good success with and good everything. Like I did have actually a robot on this broker before. I still have actually, but I'm not sharing it more. It's the robot's name was Alpha 1i bot. Basically, it's following my style of trading, but you need to implement it. It doesn't put exactly, so it's not 100%, because it need to use indicators. So I did try to as much I could to get it to work the way I wanted, but it's using indicators. So you need some basic knowledge about when to turn on and off the robot. That's why a few people, I tried to explain it as good as I could. A few people start to lose money with it, and then I did not want that. So I stopped to share that robot. But yes, I do have a robot here also that can trade 100% automatic for you. So like I said, if someone wants to use it, they can use it on their own, what I can say, responsibility. But yes, I do have a robot also, but I have not shared it for a very long time. Now let's see. Now I have more or less the same balance on the two different brokers I'm using. Yeah, and robot, you need to see my videos how to use it also. Maybe I'll make a video in the future again, but I don't like it because many people are losing money using the robot. So it's that's why I stopped to share it. I did very good with it. Ask if you see some of my older videos, like if you go like 1 year back or something, then you'll find these videos. I made a lot of robot videos back then. But like I said, there were a lot of people losing, so made it. I did not want to share it more. Now I'm looking for a sell up here. We are very close. Let's see. And the robot do not trade on the OTC market, so it's also better that way. Now let's see. So you don't need to think that much about the timing part, at least. Now let's see. We have not had so many trades today. We are in profit, $188. We can bring it to the side here so you can keep track on our trades. Let's see. For Forex, I do have an incredible good Forex robot that is taking a challenge for me now. I can bring it up here now. Let me show. Let me think. The fibers. Let's bring that one up. The 5%ers. Let's go to the hub here. Let me just show that. That load up in the past. Back around here now. Here it is. We got it here. So what happened is that I was running a paid robot here. I started here and I did use a paid robot first. Then I started to lose. I was like almost $100 in minus. Then I turned on my own robot. And from that time on, you can see we have had this quite steady moving up. And now you can see, here you can see the trades now. Last two trades made me now, so I'm $100 in profit. This is 100% automatic. I just forgot about it. It's just running in the cloud. And you can see now we are 25% away from our target to pass this challenge on the fibers. My plan is to take many chances like this, just throw my robot on and forget about it and let it do a thing. And later on, we can just keep the profit. So right away we pass the challenge. Some of this, I think we get like 80% of every winnings here. So it's pretty sweet. So yes, that is something that this robot everyone can get. It's super good. And that's a turnkey robot, you can say. It's just a turn on and forget about. Don't need to do nothing. It's no lock or nothing. Just turn it on and let it be. So for Forex, I have the good robots. Very good. And the good thing is that when you get this robot, you can use it at any broker you want. So if you have a preference broker, you can use it on any robot, any broker, or you can do it on a challenge, like I'm doing. So you can get a funded account. Now let's see, let's take a trade here now. Let's see how that plays out. So yeah, so you can take funded challenge like I'm doing. You can put it on your own money, whatever you feel for, you can use the robot that way. So it's pretty cool. Now let's see if we can win this trade. My luck today have not been that good from that. That was very close. He played a little high there, but we won. Cool. Then we are up 384. That is sweet. The cool thing, look, is that you don't need so much funds to take a challenge. For example, here to get a 5,000 account cost you like less than $50. Okay, so it's $50 to get 5,000. So you don't need so much funds. You don't need to use your own money. I'm expecting to pass this challenge. I'm expecting it will take me around 2 months, and then I will have 5,000. It's much smarter. Later I will take some bigger challenges. I get like 200. But the cool thing with Fiverr is that you can grow your account. Okay, so you can grow it all the way up to millions if you want to. So, but yes, you don't need to use your own money. Of course, it's many different type of funded accounts you can get, but Fiverr is one of the ones I like. I'm taking another one also. There I do manual trading, so I'm trying to diversify a little because I love trading manually also, so I'm taking some funded account there also. My plan in the future here at YouTube is to showing all this also with robots and everything. But for now we are keeping it mostly for binary option, but my plan for the channel for the future is to take it more into Forex also, and then robots trading and these type of things, and sharing the robots that I'm using, of course. So any success I have, you can easily copy. But right now, this robot is the only thing I can share right now, at least. Now let's see. Oh, I'd rather want to enter a little above the line. That will be preferred. So our win rate for now today, not the best, but we can still calculate it. Let's see here now. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Out of 7 trades, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So yeah, you can say like 55% win rate, more or less. So it's not typically we are around 70, 80, so we are a little below it. But now also we have not taken 10 trades yet, so if we win the next 3 trades, we are up in our 70%. Yeah, do that. Like I said, you don't need to be using your own money. Make no sense these days. You rather just take challenges, and of course you need to pass them. But when you pass the challenge, you get what you spent to join the challenge also back. But do not join any broker or that is for binary option and for Forex that is located in United States. That is very scary. Never, even if they're regulated. Because United States, they are changing the rules so rapidly, and they can suddenly come with a new rule. Like they did recently, they did close down one of the biggest funded places for Forex. And yeah, they are basically down. And they were one of the biggest ones. So do not open anything in the United States. United States is not friendly when it comes to Forex and binary option. Keep the things that are in Europa. I would Europa, Australia, something like this. That is best. Yeah, internet fast. That is helping a lot. Um, if you live in the United States and you use a broker outside, you still need to pay taxes, of course. That is different from country to country, what type of taxes you pay. There are many strange rules in different countries. So, but most places you need to pay taxes from your profit. Some countries you need to pay taxes even before you withdraw it. But in some countries, you only when you withdraw to your account you pay taxes. So you need to follow up and see what type of rules that are in your country about taxes. That is very important, of course. And that you got 4 wins, that is beautiful. I have not had that luck today. I have like 55% win rate, but at least we have profit of 384, so I'm happy with that. Plus I'm going to take out this money later in the recap video I always make after. So I'm looking for a sell trade up in this red line and buy on the green, but we are very far away from the green, so let's wait and see. We are going to be trading more 6-ish minutes, so we still have time to maybe get in a couple of more trades. That's nice to hear, look. Now let's see. Okay, finally he started to get closer to our bottom line. Now, as we have been away for a little while, we don't know if this is a line yet. So what I do, change the color to blue. Don't trade when you've been away from a line like this, you see down here, for more than like 20 minutes. Stay away. Wait till you see you find an area that is interesting. Like I never choose a line, for example, too close to another one. Then I keep to the one I feel is stronger. Okay, so for example, down here now, we don't see any area that is clearly a support or resistance. So for example, the lines you have below, that is support, lines you have above is resistant. But I keep it stupid easy here at my live streams. I just put a color scheme. Blue is basically just wait. Red, I trade on it. But if he now stay away from this red line here now like 20 minutes, like you can see now it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If we stay away from this line now 12 more minutes, I turn this on blue, because then we don't know if this is still the area that the market will refuse. So that is some rules that I set myself when I'm trading. Like here now, example, start to look interesting in this area. You see you have here, one here, 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 here. Probably this area is good. So around there I will take a trade. So this one I'll turn now to green. It's a little close, but I start to see that this start to be a good area to take a trade. Okay. So now let's wait and see if we can get in. It would be nice to get at least one more trade before we're done. We're going to trade more 4 minutes only. So let's see. It would be nice to get one trade in bottom here now. Let's see. And I did take one there. I got a quite good entry. As long as it don't start to break down. Let's bring up my trade here now. Yeah, looks to be nice. Of course, we need to wait more 10 seconds. Ooh, I don't like this. It's really playing with me in the last seconds here now. We lost that trade. Oh, did you see that? We were in the money when they said 1 second. That is super annoying. But we are still in profit, but not so much more. 184. That is super annoying. I hate when we lose in the last second. So today, yes, have not been a so good day trading, I need to admit. We turned a profit, but not that much. But like I said, we are also receiving cash back on every single trade we do. So I'm getting this 120 up here also. So in that way I have 184 plus 120. So that means we are receiving ourselves $304 basically. So that is good enough for me. So, but I think we can stop here then. We can stop with a losing trade today. That is completely fine. Like I said, not the best win rate today, but at least we turned a profit, and that's everything we need to do. So I will be back again tomorrow, same time, and in Saturday we will be trading live at Discord. You find the link below the video when you see this as a recording. It's basically below every video I have. You find a link to my Discord channel, and make sure you join there. And if you did not open a demo account yet, make sure you go in to in the chat here now or below the video. Let me see if I got okay, you lost 2 and 1 2. Yeah, now it's like this. Now, so like I said, make sure you open a demo account for my live session tomorrow. It's much more fun to follow. Typically we are not having a so bad win rate like we have today. We are making much more money. So make sure you join in and follow me. Open just a demo account in the start. Take you 2 minutes to open. And let's trade a little more tomorrow. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you tomorrow.